Stranger proposes a fate-changing idea after storm ruins couple's outdoor beach wedding. Marriage can easily be termed as one of the major life-changing events in an individual's life, and everyone wants their wedding day to be perfect. The best food, the most beautiful dress, the cake, and the flowers. Everything needs to be up to the mark, as most of the people get to live this day once in their lifetime. These lovebirds had planned to host their wedding on a beach in Pascagoula, Mississippi. They had been looking forward to this day for months, and everything was pre-planned and well-arranged. Unfortunately, an act of nature would force this wedding ceremony to stop before it even began, and the perfect stranger approached the bride's car to make a fate-changing proposal. Will this couple eventually get to live and have the wedding of their dreams, or will the rain wash away all their hopes? A feeling that can't be defined in words, but people often name it love. This couple from Mississippi had now been dating each other for years, and it would be right to say that they were crazy in love. The vibe between the two was unmatchable, as Dulce and Ariel were simply meant to be. The two were now ready to take their relationship further by getting married, but what occurs as a simple event to pretty much everyone would turn out to be stressful for this couple. The two were seen together almost everywhere, and their friends and family could hear the wedding bells. Dulce and Ariel were two young individuals who lived in Mississippi and dreamed of marrying each other someday. They were at the top of the world when the right day finally arrived, as they were waiting to hear these words at their ceremony. "I now pronounce you man and wife." The only problem was the wedding ceremony never began. Planning a wedding can get very hectic at times, and most people choose to rely on wedding planners these days. However, Dulce had decided to plan her own wedding, as she wanted to make sure that everything on her big day was perfect. Having said that, it is almost impossible for a single person to make arrangements for such a big event all on their own, but Dulce had successfully pulled it off. But there was a problem that even the bride was unable to take care of. Shannon Strunk and Cynthia are another couple who happened to own a beachfront house. Their house was only a few steps away from the place where the couple was supposed to tie the knot. Cynthia and Shannon were there early mornings as they were simply checking out the preparations. Shannon Strunk and his wife Cynthia were having a good time at their home on Saturday, June 30th, when they noticed the guests who were present at the wedding. Their house happened to give a central view of the beach, and the old couple was able to see it all directly across the street. While they were taking joy in watching the celebrations, what caught their eyes and grew their worry was the nearby storm clouds. The weather took a 180, and these dark clouds now threatened to sabotage the celebration. For Dulce, not everything was going to happen as she had planned for her big day. Shannon Strunk and Cynthia Strunk had spent almost 2 decades here in Pascagoula. They have been living here since the year 1999, and they have seen countless wedding ceremonies that took place on the beach. The old couple could see a couple of cars lined up at the beach, and they immediately made a decision, which would turn out to be fate-changing. Planning a wedding itself is a challenging task, and you happen to plan it outdoors, it becomes even more difficult. I mean, what could be more terrible than witnessing the sight of dark clouds getting closer to the path which leads to the altar? Disastrous, right? Unfortunately, a woman from Mississippi named Dulce Gonzalez, who was 25 at the time, would have to face the wrath of nature when her big day is ruined because of the rain. The couple's friends and family had gathered and just arrived at the beach to celebrate the big day by being there for Dulce and Ariel. However, they didn't have any control over the weather, as it started raining heavily just before the ceremony was about to begin. Dulce said, "We were just sitting in the car praying for the rain to stop," and that she was on the verge of having a breakdown. She exclaimed in an interview with a local news channel about how she had spent more than a month in planning her own wedding, and what they got to witness at the moment was nothing but heartbreaking. It was a much-awaited day, and everything was planned well. It was supposed to be a sunny day with a perfect setting, as the weather forecast had predicted that the odds of a downpour were only 10%. But can these weather predictions be really trusted given their history? Dulce's big day was falling apart right in front of her eyes, and there was absolutely nothing she could do about it. It was a downpour, and it certainly wasn't going to stop anytime soon, so there was no point in waiting and hoping for the rain to stop. Would Dulce not get married this very day? This story is not as ordinary, and the best way to find out is to read further. The guests had run into the cars to escape the rain, and her family, too, rushed towards their cars, and now they had been waiting for a good 10 minutes, but the weather was only getting worse. Dulce had given up hope, but there was a savior who kept watching everything that happened, and their intervention would soon give this event a major turn. Cynthia Strunk, a 67-year-old woman, saw that the family had been desperately waiting in their car, hoping that the rain would stop. The woman was touched and felt heavily by what she just saw. She opened up her umbrella and headed straight toward the strangers' cars to propose an idea. Gonzalez still remembers the exact words that this woman told them after approaching the car. "Just give me 10 minutes and I'll have everything set up." She was willing to offer her own house as an alternative to the present venue. In simpler words, the wedding ceremony would now take place at this woman's house. But then this happened. Dulce further explained, "They started telling all of our family and friends to go into this woman's driveway, even though we had no idea who she was. While the family drove to the woman's door, the neighbors came forward with umbrellas in their hands to help the guests. But wait, there's more." Cynthia Strunk, the house's owner, didn't shy off from taking a dozen photos of the beautiful bride right before the ceremony. Surprisingly, Gonzalez wasn't even aware of the woman's name, and he only learned it just minutes before the wedding was over. But what stunned the bride was her sight after she made her way into the living room. Dulce was simply surprised after seeing what the room looked like. Cynthia couldn't have done any better in 10 minutes, as the room was well prepared and everything was at its place. Moreover, dozens of chairs had been arranged and set up for more than 50 guests who were to attend the wedding, and to say the least, the room looked picture perfect. The house looked nothing less than any venue, and it was picture perfect indeed. Everything that helps in making a perfect scene for the wedding was there. You name it, there were flowers, a beautiful mirror, and a piano to give the setting a finishing touch. The bride's father was saying thank you over and over, and the bride's mother was tearing up, Strunk said. Could it get any better? Yes, it did. The house owners had to put in a lot of efforts in such a short time, and what they had managed to do with all the available resources was simply outstanding. Cynthia headed back to her home and told her husband, "We're having a wedding." They started taking the chairs out to make the place suitable for the ceremony to happen. The Strunks have a big family, and they had hosted a small party at their place only a week ago from the date of this wedding, which explains them having dozens of chairs at their place. We arranged the living room just as one of our daughters were getting married that day. When the bride first saw the place, she said, "I had to completely hold back the tears of joy at the time." We are glad that she didn't cry and ruin her makeup. However, do you think everything happened as it was planned? It looked so perfect, like we had coordinated with the homeowners from the beginning to have the ceremony there, the bride said. It wasn't that the family settled for anything that was offered to them, and they were more than impressed by the arrangements that Cynthia and her husband had made to pull off within a few minutes. The bride was so happy that she had to try hard to hold her tears back. The best part was that Dulce and Ariel wanted a particular setting for the wedding, and Cynthia's house happened to be the perfect place. So what was the couple's condition? The condition was that Dulce and her husband-to-be, Ariel, at that point of time wanted to tie the knot at the beach, as they considered it a sacred spot for themselves. Their first date took place at this very beach, and they couldn't think of a better place to exchange their rings. To their surprise, the room, which was used for hosting their wedding ceremony, had massive windows, and it showed them a marvelous view of the beach. "Everything looked like we had planned to do our wedding there," Dulce said. She further added that's how perfectly she set it up. Things couldn't have been any better, and everyone, including the bride and the groom and their families, acknowledged the fact that they were more than grateful. The bride's father's speech marked the end of this ridiculously good ceremony, as he thanked the homeowners for their efforts and kindness. Soon after their good deed, the Strunks tasted fame as the story of their kind act went viral on local news channels and social media. We are really taken aback that everyone thought it was such a big thing. The couple believed that anyone in their shoes would have done the same thing. The Strunks described their act of hosting the couple's celebration as a wonderful experience. She wrote in a Facebook post, "It was our pleasure to host an impromptu wedding at our home." She further added, "The wedding party was so gracious and appreciative. They were happy to be a part of such a beautiful event." Their appreciation was not limited to words, as the newlyweds made sure to visit the Strunks only a week after their marriage. Moreover, the bride's parents too visited them a week later with a bottle of wine and an orchid. To make the scene even more better, the newlyweds promised this. Strunk took to her Facebook and wrote these words in her new post. "Highly recommended impromptu weddings for anyone because of their spectacular experience in hosting the wedding ceremony. To tell you, they also asked the newlyweds to make them a promise. What did Cynthia Strunk ask the couple to do? Did they agree or not?" Cynthia Strunk asked the newlyweds to promise her something. As soon as they have a baby, they have to bring the baby to the house and tell them where it all began. The newlyweds agreed and said we'd be happy to do it. It's funny how fast time can change. They definitely saved the day. I referred to them as our two little angels, the bride concluded. Cynthia Strunk might be a 67-year-old woman, but we can't make the mistake of judging this woman by her age. She certainly saved the wedding, but she also broke the internet with her post on Facebook. She took to her Facebook account and posted a picture of the newlyweds along with the brief description of how they planned the couple's wedding within merely 10 minutes. The post went viral all over the internet and managed to rack up thousands of likes and hundreds of shares. The post had been liked so much as nearly by 8,000 people and shared over 600 times. Cynthia Strunk was surprised by the attention her story had received, but it was nothing in comparison to what was about to follow. This incredible story was received widely by the media, and everyone wanted to hear the details of what exactly happened from Cynthia and the newlyweds. Many local news channels and other media houses approached the Strunks and the newlyweds to appear on their channel, and the audiences too were taking an interest in their story. The rain couldn't stop Dulce Gonzalez and Ariel Gonzalez from tying the knots. And it appears to us that every cloud has a silver lining, indeed. Things were not favorable initially, but as they say, we are 10% what we do and 90% how we react to it. The Strunks were generous enough to reach out to a group of absolute strangers, and their characters nothing but awe-inspiring. We can only leave it to speculations and imaginations as to what would have happened if Cynthia Strunk and her husband hadn't approached the bride only to offer their home as the new venue for the couple's wedding ceremony. Dulce and Ariel are forever grateful for the Strunks' act of kindness, and we would like to wish this newlywed couple a happy married life.